Hello everyone, welcome to Achievers Tutorials, and today we are going through linear programming. Let us see how to plot the graph and find the feasible region, the wanted and unwanted region. This topic is there for 12th also, for 10th standard or IGCSE also. What is linear programming principle? We use graphical solution to find the region, to find the maximum and minimum points. The first thing is how to plot the graph. Basically, plotting a graph, you have to make a table or a grid. At least 3 points you have to take. For x plus y is equal to 1. For example, we take a question x plus y greater than or less than. These are the signs you will get. X plus y. My question says less than equal to 1. So I will first find the table and plot x plus y is equal to 11. Let us take 0 as x ka value. When I put 0 here, y becomes 11. When I put 1 here, y becomes 10. When I put 2 here, y becomes 9. So I plot these points on the graph taking proper scale. So if I take 0, 11, I get somewhere here. This is 11, 0, 11. When I take 1, 10, 1 is here, 10 is somewhere here, I get this point here. 1, 10, 1, 2, so on and so forth, right? And the third point is 2, 9. 2, 9 will be somewhere here. So I get a line like this. This line has a form x plus y less than equal to 11. I plot one more line, y is less than equal to x. We have 3 lines to be plotted. Y is equal to x, same way. I put 0, I get a value 0. When I take x as 1, I get the value 1. So where is 1, 1? 0, 0 is here, and 1, 1 is somewhere here. So the line would be somewhere this manner, y less than equal to x. Correct? The third line which is given to us is y greater than equal to 3. Whenever you have lines y is equal to a types or x is equal to b types, these are the lines which are parallel to the coordinate axis. If I want to plot y is equal to 3, this is a straight line parallel to passing through y is equal to 3, y is equal to 3 and parallel to the x-axis. So I get somewhat this kind of a graph. Now y is greater than equal to 3. This is y is equal to, okay. Now the question is find the wanted region or find the unwanted region. You have to shade the wanted or unwanted region. आपको देखना पड़ेगा आपके पेपर में whether they have asked wanted region to be plotted or unwanted region to be plotted. So we take unwanted region to be plotted. Unwanted region. इसको हमको shade करना है. Shade करना है. We will shade the unwanted region in our problem. So how to find the region? We take the first equation y is greater than equal to 3. I put 0 in case of x and y here. So what I get 0 greater than equal to 3. समझने के लिए region कौन सा साइड आएगा? What is 0? 0, 0 is this point. When I put 0 is greater than 3. When I put this origin in this equation, is 0 greater than equal to 3? No, this is wrong. That means this is my unwanted region. The origin lies in my unwanted region. So how will I shade it? I will shade in this manner. This is my unwanted region. I take this equation again. X plus y is less than equal to 11. Again I put this origin point 0, 0 in this particular case. And 0 is less than 11. So tell me friends, is this correct? Yes. So origin lies in the one. As you see, I take this line and this is my which region? Wanted region, because 0, 0 is satisfying my inequality. So for me the unwanted region is here. Correct? The unwanted region is ulta side. कोई भी लाइन की दो साइड होती है, ये साइड और वो साइड. अगर आपका पॉइंट राइट दिखा रहा है तो वो वांटेड रीजन है, उसके ऑपोजिट साइड आएगा हमारा ग्राफ. Let's take the third point. The third line is y is equal to x. Y is equal to x is the line passing through origin. जो भी लाइन ओरिजिन से पास करती है उसमें 0,0 नहीं डालने का। तो व्हाट यू विल डू, यू विल टेक वन पॉइंट। समझो, आई टेक दिस पॉइंट 2,1 and put it here. Y is less than x. X is 2 and y is 1. Can you see this? X is 2, y is 1. Is this correct? Yes. So this point lies in the wanted region. So what is the unwanted region for this line? Here. So this is a way you have to plot the lines, and if you see properly, this region will be your region where all the inequalities are satisfied. So this is your region where all the inequalities are satisfied. Similarly, you can plot for the other ones. The line here has some issues. So if I take one more example, and show you how to plot the lines, we take any arbitrary points and plot the region. We take one more example. Okay, so one is same, x plus y is less than 5. We take y is less than 2 and x is greater than 3. One more thing, remember, if you don't have equal to sign, you will plot dotted lines, and if you have equal to sign, you will plot dark lines. So again I plot this. Okay, I take a grid for x plus y is equal to 5. X is 0, y is 5, right? Y is 0, x is 5. So I take 0, 5 here, and I take 5, 0 here, and I get this line which is said x plus y is less than 5. Then I get y is equal to 2. Y is equal to 2 will be here somewhere, passing through y is equal to 2 and parallel to x axis. This is y is less than equal to 2. Y is greater than 3. 1, 2, 3. Y is greater than 3 will be this line. Sorry, x is greater than 3 will be this line. Passing through x is equal to 3. Again I will plot inequalities here. How to plot और how to shade the region, वापस से मैं वही बोलूंगा। किसको शेड करना है मुझे? अनवांटेड शेड करना है। So let us start again. 0, 0 डाल के चेक किया मैंने. Is this correct? Yes, it is correct. अगर correct है तो origin आपका wanted region हुआ. कौन सी लाइन ली थी? ये लाइन. तो आपका unwanted कौन सा हुआ? ये पार्ट आपका पूरा unwanted हो गया. Let us take this. X is greater than 3. 0 is greater than 3. Is it correct? No, it is not correct. तो ये unwanted region हो गया आपका. कौन सी लाइन थी ये? इसका रीजन क्या आएगा? ये वाला आएगा. करेक्ट? एंड इफ आई टेक y is less than 2, 0 is less than 2, is it correct? It is correct. तो ये आपका वांटेड रीजन हुआ. कौन सी लाइन है ये आपकी? ये वाली लाइन है. ये वांटेड हुआ. अनवांटेड कहां हुआ आपका? यहां पर हुआ. अब कॉमन रीजन कौन सा है वो आपको प्लॉट करने का है. Which is the common region for this? Here we are not getting any common